Hi, I'm Peter, and today I'm going to draw a rainbow peacock. Thanks to all those people that suggested to draw a peacock. You'll see me draw a peacock, and then I'm going to use some nice coloured pencil shading on the top. Show you how to do that. Let's get into it. Thanks for the request on drawing a peacock. I'm going to start by drawing a cute peacock. So we're going to start with a circle shape. Okay. Then from there, we're going to bring a line up and a curved line, and then straighten it up. On the top, we're just going to draw an oval shape for the head. Now I'm just going to draw a rounded sort of, another circle for the eye. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little bits coming off. 1, and then circles on the end of those. Let's make the eyelash have a few little, I have a few little eyelashes. Put a circle in there, and there we have our lovely peacock's head. And I might just make that a little bit narrow. Let's put some little curved lines like so for the feathers. And do the same here. There we are. Now, let's put some feet on. 1, 2, a couple of lines like that for each leg. Now put the feet on with some oval shapes, just light ovals, and then up, down, and around. So you're almost just writing the letter M and then bringing that around for the feet. Now what we're going to do here is we're going to pretend that this is a big circle, and I'm using my whole arm to draw this big oval sort of shape, almost a circle. That's just to give you the where you want the bumps to go out to. So if we start up the top and we just move our little bumpy bits around like so, and there's the peacock. And if we try and keep these about the same sort of size, if we can, bump them around, and that can look pretty good. Now what we can do is we can add little oval shapes for the eyes, and we're not going to put all the eyes on, but we're just going to put these inside this sort of curvy bump. If you've drawn yours a bit lower, that's okay. You can put them in behind. So we've got this sort of shape. I'm going to map them all on. And then do another shape like so, another 2 oval shapes inside. And you'll notice that some are in the middle, like so, and some are on the others, touching the edge. It's up to you how you want these to look. Remember, it's your picture. I'm just showing you a basic way to go about a peacock. Now, if you wanted to make this look a bit more real, you'd probably put more of a real head on it, okay, in terms of a pointier beak, etc., etc. And then I'm just going to put some lines coming and pretending that these lines come into a middle point about there. Okay, and that just shows you that this peacock has its tail radiating out. And there we have our peacock ready for some outline. I'm pretty happy with that. Hope you guys have done a great job. I'm sure you have. Remember, keep trying. Let's outline. I'm going to outline with a Sharpie. This is an ultra fine, and I'm going to start with the eye. This is the time to make any changes that you might like. And I'm flicking those eyelashes out. And there's a difference because when you flick a line, it goes from thick to thin. Remember to have something underneath. I'm going to now colour in with rainbow colours. I'm using some coloured pencils, and I'm just starting with the indigo violet colour, and then I'm going to put in a little bit of pink, and as you can see, I'm layering that. I'm turning my page around as I need to make sure that I'm colouring in the direction I would like to. It's a matter of layering. The more you layer up your pencils, and you go over and you interblend them together, they'll look good. Depending on the quality of your pencils as well. These ones layer up reasonably well. These are Brunswick Expression pencils. And as you can see now, I've put into my rainbow a little bit of aqua turquoise, and I'm just going back over some of those other layers, and I'm moving my page around because the natural movement of your wrist is like a arch, and I'm just helping that by adjusting my page. Going to green, I'm following around the color wheel or the rainbow. I'll end up going to yellow. As you can see, I'm overlapping those, trying to go around the peacock's top of the peacock. Bit of orange here, looking pretty good. And I continue to overlap and layer the colors to finish off the rainbow. Hope you enjoy the rest of the video. I'm just putting on the finishing touches now, all the eyes of the feathers. I'm making sure I'm doing orange because it's the complementary color to blue. I've done that's the spot or the eyeball of on the feathers a dark blue, so I'm going orange and blue to make them contrast and stand out. As you can see, I've layered it up and I've created a rainbow peacock. If you've liked my video, give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel for future content. Once again, thank you to those people that recommended that I draw a peacock. Hope you enjoyed. I will see you next time. Bye for now.